Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And if we see on Tuesday, the markets went up in the first half of the day. Actually, not even in the first half. In the first half of the day, the market basically consolidated. And then if you see, market went up and then straight up saw a reversal from 50,000, right? And that's why I tell you guys one thing is that don't wait till the exact round number. Book 40 to 50 points before itself. Because if you see, Bank Nifty made a high of 49,974 in this candle and then reversed. It did not touch 50,000, right? And that's why I say that whenever you are trading in the market, book a little bit before the target comes, right? Same thing with Nifty also. Nifty being a little bit more flat, but yes, basically Nifty being flat, then giving an up move and then seeing a very big dump. So does that mean that the market is going to go negative from here? Are we going to see a very big sell off? Is the top is the top that has been made over here on Tuesday it, and are we not going to continue more, right? So the simple answer is no. That is not the answer, because even right now the market is still in a very bullish area. This can just be a little bit of profit booking because of the US Fed meeting that is going to happen today, right? Because again, there was also a very big not very big, but there was also a holiday today, right? So markets were closed and a lot of people may be in a little bit of doubt, and that's why they squared off their positions, or a lot of big institutions to say they squared off their positions, and now then, and that's why the market crashed a little bit in the end, right? So does that mean that the market is going to crash very much from here? No. But the candle that has been made at the top indicates that definitely the market will take a little bit of pause. We will not continue to move up very fast from here. So again, what can happen over here today, I'm going to tell you guys exactly what can happen over here and how you can trade, right? So if you see this trend line, right, if the market goes below this trend line, a lot of people will start thinking that this is a breakout failure, right? But until unless we go below this candle slow, I don't think there can be a breakout failure. Until unless this candle slow is being defended, we can expect the market to still stay bullish, maybe consolidate a little while over here and then start to move up, right? So what you guys can do over here is going to be very simple. Tomorrow, if the market comes down, let's say if we open flat, which is not looking like the case that we will open flat, because yesterday also the US markets were heavily negative, right? So chances are we will open with a very big gap down somewhere near 49,000 also. I don't think I will be very surprised if we open near 49,000 also, or a little bit below that. But there is the Fed meeting today that is going to happen tonight, right? Now if there is some good commentary from the Fed, then chances are that we will open flat or maybe even in a little bit of a positive area. But we will not take a long position at higher levels. Why do I say so? Is because the big institutions, if you see the data, FNO data, the big institutions, the pros and FIs have started to make a little bit of short positions over here, and they booked a lot of their long positions basically on Tuesday, right? So we will not take a bullish position at higher levels. We'll wait for the markets to come down near this area. Maybe near here also is fine, but yes, near this area at lower levels is where we will take a bullish position, not at higher levels. I hope that is very clear for you guys, because whenever a candle like this is being made, chances of market doing a V-shaped recovery will be very hard, because market has already done this V-shaped move, right? Market went up sharply, then came back down sharply. Now you cannot expect the market to again go up sharply back up till 49,800 or for 50,000, whatever, right? So definitely the market will go up, but it looks like it will be best to take a bullish position from lower levels, you basically to buy in dips over here, right? If let's say the Fed says something negative today, right? And if let's say the Fed says something negative, then markets can open with a very big gap down also, 48,800, 48,700, all that levels also, because then the US markets will again close in negative today also, deep negative. So yes, definitely we will open with a very big gap down. Now 48,000, until unless this area is being is being defended, we will not turn bearish. Below 48,200 is only where we will turn bearish. this area will again act as a support if we come at lower levels. So if we open with a very big gap down below 48,800, then we will slide down even more till 48,200 to 48,400, right? In near this area is where we will again think about taking a bullish position, right? But if we slide down so much till this level, then we cannot expect the market to move up and break 50,000 very fast. Then the market will probably consolidate in this area for some time, and then it will try to break out above these levels. So tomorrow, if we open with a gap down, we will not take a short position instantly. Please keep that in mind. We will not take a short position instantly as soon as the market opens. We will wait for some negative price action. If let's say the market opens near 49,000, 48,800, all these levels, then we will wait for a negative price action in the market, a lower low to be made. And as soon as the market breaks the first low that it has made, then we will go ahead and take a short position. Our target will be 48,500 to 48,550 to 48,500 on the downside, right? That will be our target at lower levels if we open with a gap down. Even if we open flat, if the market is not crossing 49,400, right? Let's say we open somewhere near 49,300, 350, all these levels. If the market is not crossing 49,400 or even 49,500, basically if the market is not crossing this zone and you are seeing that market has started to make negative price action, then at higher levels also we can start to take negative trade, basically a short trade over here, because then also the market will come down at least till 49,000 in my opinion. Because the way this selling has come, market will not try to recover in a basically market, as I said previously also, the market will not give a V-shaped recovery again over here. Market will need to go down a little bit more, take support from lower levels, and then start to move up, right? So I hope that is very clear for you guys. If 49,500 is not being broken and you are seeing that market is taking good resistance from there, then you can think about taking a short position near 49,500 also for some profit booking till 49,000 at lower levels. Then if 49,000 is market is taking good support from 49,000, then we can think about taking a bullish trade in the coming day, right? So I hope that is very clear for you guys. If somehow we open with a gap up above 49,500, or let's say even at 49,500, then we will not take any sort of a bullish or bearish position, right? Let's say market goes above 49,500, then taking a bullish position is not really a good thing over here, because maybe market might get a little too volatile over here and a stop loss might get hit over here. So please do not take bullish positions at higher levels. Let the market give a little bit of correction, and then we will think about taking a bullish position. So I hope that is very clear for you guys. As of now also, market is not negative. Please do not think that the market has become negative just because there is one red candle that has been made. And same thing in Nifty also, just because there is one red candle that has been made. In Nifty also, if you see, this area will be very important, 22,280 to 22,300. I'll show you guys in the chart also. Basically this area over here is going to be the important area to watch out for in Nifty, 22,300 to 20,280. Until unless this area is not broken, we will not see very good selling coming in the market, right? Talking about Nifty is also pretty bearish, right? So if you open flat below 20,570 is where you guys can go ahead and take a short position. And if you are not crossing 20,620 after opening, right, and you're seeing that market is taking good resistance from this zone, then also you can take short positions from higher levels for Nifty with a target of 21,500 on the downside. So I hope that is very clear. If we open with a gap up and cross 20,620 and we are sustaining above that, then we'll do nothing for the day, because then most probably market will be very volatile, and so doing nothing will be the best option for us. If we open with a gap down, let's say near 20,500 itself, then we will wait for negative price action. And if we are seeing that market is making negative price action, then we'll go ahead and take a short position till 20,400 to 420, and then most probably the market will fall down 100 points more, but we will not capture those 100 points, and and it would be better to book your profit somewhere near 20,420 to 400, because maybe market might take a little bit of support from here. And if you are trading intraday, then taking that extra pain for yourself is not really worth it. So again, guys, looks like the market is heading for a little bit of profit booking over here, because the data that has been made, the FNO data, even that is indicating that short positions are being made by big players at higher levels. So chances are that we will see a little bit of correction, and until unless these levels are being held, 20,300 and in Bank Nifty 48,200, until then there is not really a very big sign of worry that can be seen in the market. So do not panic just because of this candle that has been made. Just follow the levels, and again, if we are seeing that market is taking good support from lower levels, that will be the best place to take a buying position, rather than being outright bullish every day and buying at higher levels. So yeah, guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in the video. Bye bye.